Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change what the power button do on Windows 11. So for you to do that, you have to click on the Windows Start on your PC, then you search for Control Panel using the search bar. Control Panel, okay, yeah, this is it. Then click on Open. Good. If you have something like this on your screen, just click on hardware and sound, and if you don't, just click on this, then make sure you switch this icon, this view by, then switch it to category. Once you do that, then you should have something like this on the screen. After that, then click on hardware and sound, then move your mouse down here and click on change what the power button do. Then you edit it, then you click on it, then right here you have the option to change, to slightly configure the way your power button on your PC works. For example, when I press the power button, this is what you want it to do. You can see sleep. And if your PC is on charge, if you press the power button, you can see for my PC it means sleep. Then on yours, you can decide to change this to anything else, maybe shut down, hibernate, or turn off the display. Depends on you. And also on battery, if you're on battery, if you're not on charge, maybe you're running on the battery, if you press the power button, it depends on what you want it to do, it depends on how you configure it. You can simply turn this to hibernate, shut down, and turn off display. It's pretty simple. And also when I close the lid, if you want it to something like hibernate or shut down, you can just easily configure it. And that's how you can configure or change the power button functions on your Windows 11. Find video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.